Hey Texans, with hurricane season on the horizon, right now is the time to gear up and prepare.
Here at AEP Texas, we want to help you prepare an emergency kit that's ready and reliable for anything this hurricane season brings our way.
Here are some key items you will need.
Get your water ready and stay hydrated during the storm. Prepare at least 1 gallon of water per person per day.
That's right, and you can fill up at any local dispensary in town or skip the grocery lines and shop now. Next, power up.
Solar power chargers are great, but make sure to stock up on extra batteries for your handheld devices in case of an emergency.
And if your lights go out, make sure you use an LED flashlight or lantern until your power comes back on.
Stock up, make sure you have plenty of canned goods for your family to last an entire week.
And don't forget about our furry friends. Make sure you stock up on pet-friendly snacks and their meals. If you don't have one already, make sure you buy an emergency medical kit. Include bandages, antiseptics, a digital thermometer, and a supply of your family's prescription medications in your first aid kit.
Keep a list of emergency contacts in your phone and create a physical contact list in case your phone runs out of battery. Include a map of your area's evacuation routes.
Speaking of important documents, make sure to keep your IDs, insurance policies, cash, and any other important documents in a dry pouch or a Ziploc bag.
And don't forget, communication is key during hardships like these. A hand crank radio or a solar powered radio will help you stay up to date with any weather notification or emergency broadcast without needing a plug.
So there you have it, your survival kit is ready to go.
With these items, you and your family will be able to hit the road or stay in for at least a week. Stay safe, stay prepared, and let's weather the storm together.
For more information about hurricane preparedness and tips, make sure to visit aeptexas.com.